Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by pairing your GoPro to your phone so the camera can send video. This is how you create the live link. Once done, enable Wi-Fi on the GoPro and open the GoPro app on your phone to finish pairing. Make sure you sign into Facebook on the same device and pick the page or profile you want to stream to. That prevents permissions issues later. This first step gets the devices talking, and that's essential before you configure resolution and bitrate. Now you configure how the stream will be sent. This determines quality and stability. In the GoPro app, choose Live and pick resolution. Use 720p for reliable mobile networks, higher if you have strong upload. Then set bitrate. Around 3 to 6 megabits per second balances quality and buffering, and select 16:9 aspect for Facebook compatibility. Finally, write your title and set privacy and camera orientation so viewers see a properly framed image, which improves watch time and engagement. You're ready to go live? Tap the Go Live button and watch the app's indicators for connection and battery so you don't get cut off. While streaming, use a tripod and external microphone for steady framing and clear sound. That's why viewers stay. If problems happen, stop the stream and troubleshoot. Lower the bitrate, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi or hotspot, or restart the GoPro and phone. One key tip: always monitor connection bars and have a backup power bank handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.